Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today we're going to look at a color spark and stencil technique by the Crafters Workshop as taught to us by the lovely Cassie. Let's jump right in.
Yeah, these are Ken Oliver watercolor boards.
Yes.
Do they have an official name, or is that good?
Yeah.
Watercolor?
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the 6x6 one. And what colors do we want? You pick?
It has to be lots of colors because of it being the Spanish
You want like
tile.
blues and greens, or you want
Let a
like
girl pick the
brown?
colors.
You want this one?
No, the purple.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, because they're real colorful.
Okay. This is my favorite style.
Oh,
It's called Alpine.
Can I pick one?
It's glorious.
yeah.
Glorious.
The next one?
So one thing, I don't know if he showed you earlier, but you can also mix these color sparks with these products. Did you see that?
I did not.
I did not.
Did we do that?
Really? No.
We didn't do that before.
So I mixed I think it's wisteria. Yeah, I mixed wisteria with pearl white, and I got this.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh.
And then I put it through that stencil. Isn't that lovely?
That's cool.
I think you have a new color there. You need stencil watercolor. Okay. All right. So let's just put a little bit of each on here. So we're going direct to paper. We're gonna just have the stencil right over it. Let's see what we get. Yeah, this is Color Sparks. You haven't seen Color Sparks yet?
No.
Oh, girl. All right. Well, it's a good thing you're here.
Yeah. That's cool.
It's watercolor pigment powder. It's highly pigmented. You can see you don't need very much. A little goes a very long way. And it comes in all of these colors here. Are these all the color sets?
Yeah, there are 18 colors.
Okay.
6 3-packs.
And this is Ken Oliver. He's the creator of Color Sparks.
I went.
He's
I
the
did-
genius behind
I
it.
used them in a class I did yesterday, and I went.
Oh, yeah, you did the
afterwards,
class?
I was like, I know.
Nice. Yeah, they're amazing. Okay, so then we're going to take some water.
Oh
I
my.
have some
Okay,
samples out here.
and I'm just going to let it sit because I don't want the water to go too much under the stencil. So I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and then when we lift it, it's going to be amazing.
Oh
What
wow.
do you- I don't know what happened to that.
I picked the color.
I think it's
I picked the color.
Princess.
It's not this. No, it's not this.
No,
No, it's okay.
This.
sorry, I'm not sure. There's so many
color.
colors. So let's see what we get.
Next time, okay?
Oh my. Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool. So then I'm going to take this stencil that's left and has some pigment on it, and I'm just going to get a piece of paper for this one.
That's gorgeous.
Let's see that.
What's that? Oh, yeah. And so then I'm going to spritz a little bit more water on here, and I'm going to lay this down, and then we're going to get the negative version. So we'll lay this down on the paper, and we'll use a nice paper towel here and just kind of pat it. You don't want to move it too much because you don't want it to mess up the pattern. And then lift, and then you get the negative.
Oh my gosh, that might be even prettier.
Wow.
Wow.
I like that.
Yeah, this is a really fun
Yeah,
technique.
that's
Same thing I did with this one here, with a different stencil, but same idea.
Wow.
So,
that's
and
so
same
cool.
colors even. Yeah,
Gorgeous.
yeah, really fun. That's really fun. And then this tile, you could decorate however you want. You could hang it on your wall.
Yeah.
Add some bling
That's
to
really
it.
pretty. I like that.
Beautiful. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Very much.
Well, I hope you have enjoyed that technique. Super simple and yet beautiful. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and of course to like it and share it with your friends. Now, important that you do leave a comment, and the reason why is because we are doing a giveaway. As soon as we have reached 20 comments, the gift cards will start coming. So try to score yours. Just make sure you leave a comment down below as well. Don't forget to visit our online stores for all of the products that you have seen here and thousands more. Yes, we carry the Crafters Workshop stencils and stencil butters and more. And of course, we have 2 online stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, also Spectrum Art Creations. be sure that you join us as well right here back on this channel for our live YouTube sales. They are a whole lot of fun. You get to see the product live and chat live, and then of course shop from the comfort of home, and then have all of your products from around the world that we bring to you at the best prices delivered directly to your door. Also, if you're not in the Facebook group, make sure you jump right over. The link is in the description box and join the Facebook group, because we do a lot of giveaways and challenges, and you'll always be in the know by joining the Facebook group. Plus, you'll get to post your makes and share questions and anything else that you'd like to share in the group. In addition to that, of course, do not forget to subscribe and to ring that bell. And if you hop on over to the online store, make sure that you sign up for the free newsletter. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email address, no intrusive personal information, but then again, you'll get notifications and special coupons and more as well. All right, I'm going to leave a link here for this other great inspirational video for you to go ahead and hop over and watch. So I'll see you there.